Hello everybody, this one's going to be a nice quick one. It's just something we fancied. We've been out all day, bit of Christmas shopping and that fancied an hot dog. So I thought we'll do hot dogs, but I've done them before on my channel. So I thought I'm going to have pigs in blanket hot dogs. Haven't done them before, all in the air fryer. It's all simple, isn't it? Bacon made, which I've already done, and just get them in there with some onions, nice and simple. Yeah, so let me just show you. Okay, there we go. I've done 4 pigs in blankets. I picked up the wrong bacon. I picked up streaky, but the wrong streaky. I didn't pick up smoked, and it isn't very good, if you can see. It's not very good at all. And just having some normal. We had a link into sausages. That's all. And I've cut myself up some onions. Nice and simple. All going to be done in the air fryer. So I'm going to get a bit of oil on my, what should we call first? On my onions. Get all the mixed together. Nice and simple. I don't think I've ever had a pigs in blanket hot dog. I'm quite sure I haven't actually. I mean, it's on, you know, bacon and sausage in it, but there we go. What I'm going to do with them is put them in my air fryer on the bottom basket there. Nice and simple. Get them in, bit of oil in there. Spread them out. I'm going to leave them in there with my little grill thing on top. I'm going to warm it up first with the onions in there. So I'm going to use my air grill function, I think. Okay, air fryer is warmed up. So we will get the sausages in now. And we get all this fat off these sausages going into me onions. Yummy. Nice and simple. Get them in there. There we go. Close. Maybe have a look in 10 minutes or so and we'll have a look. It's been 10 minutes, guys. I'm just turning them over just slightly. Looking nice. I reckon a couple more minutes and we'll be done. I did take that out and I'll give the onions a shake underneath. After about 5 minutes I've done that, so they should be alright. Couple of minutes. Okay, I'm going to get them out. Oh yes, hot dogs. Good choice, Nat, I think. Good choice. Put them on there. Onions might need another minute or two. There they are. Okay, just while them onions are finishing off, let's do these. Nat says she only wants normal ones, but I'm going to give her 1 pigs in blanket, because you never know, she might want it. Turn that way. There's them. Do love a pigs in blanket, me. Do love a pigs in blanket. Oh yeah, can you see that, yeah? There's them. Right, let's get the onions out. Gotta have onions, ain't you, when you have hot dogs? Gotta have onions. Dinner, love.
That smells amazing.
That smells amazing. Good choice for the hot dogs tonight, man. Good choice. Oh, yeah. I fancy a hot dog now.
It smells really nice. I wasn't that hungry a minute ago.
There you go. Right, let's get up the table. Yummy. Pigs in blankets. Let me show you. You having a normal one or a pigs in blanket one?
I'm having a normal one at the minute.
You're having a normal one?
Yeah.
She says 3's too many, didn't you, Bab?
I can only eat about 2
Yeah.
full up.
I did put one on there just in case you might want to try it, that's all.
I might have that one next. I'm going to have that one next, actually.
Right, let me put some sauce on. I got some of this. Dino's spicy. I've got a bit of mustard. I'm not sure whether to put it on yet or not. In 2 minds. I might just put it on the one for the content. Look, watch it fall over. There we go. Don't need it, yeah?
Tastes like tomato ketchup.
It's just a bit spicy. You want to try some?
I'll toss them on the side of my plate, just in case it's too spicy. That'll do, thank you.
I've had it in there weeks now. Yeah, I've only used it once. It's quite nice actually. It's not too bad. I'll put a mustard on the one, just for the content.
It's not that spicy, is it?
No, it's not really. It's not spicy.
I thought it was going to be roasting. That's quite nice, actually.
It's alright, isn't it? It's okay. There we go. Oh, let's tuck in. So I was going to do a video out and about when we was out, but we was too busy, weren't it, Bab? And we wanted to get done and get back. So this is something nice and simple. I have got something for tomorrow. I've already bought it. I'm looking forward to doing it, actually. Gonna make a mess now. Just get in there, yeah?
Yeah.
I think three's too many. Anyway, yeah. I think three's too many.
Yeah, but you could always have them later.
Yeah, I could warm them back up, couldn't I? I'm hungry. Yeah. Put them in the air fryer for 5 minutes.
Because we're naughty. Always naughty time eaters, isn't we?
Yeah. How come I always make a mess and you don't? I get it everywhere.
It's because you're not putting me on camera. I took one bite in it, I had sauce all over my face. So.
I get it absolutely everywhere, I do.
I'm trying not to put it on my clean top.
Yeah, good choice, Bab. Good choice.
Yesterday was a good choice as well.
Yeah, we had that cheese on toast, didn't we? Oh, they come mine. It was nice, weren't it? That
I
cheese
went
on
down
toast.
really well, that did.
After the live stream, yeah.
Yeah.
It did go down well, didn't it? I really enjoyed it after. In the air fryer. Really nice. And that today, I fancied a burger today. But then that's a hot dog and I thought, ooh, hot dog. Yeah.
We want something simple as well, running up to Christmas, because we always do that, don't we, for a few weeks?
Yeah.
Just have nice, simple.
Simple food.
No,
and then we look
simple
forward to the
stuff.
big meal, don't we? Lovely. Yeah, but there you go. Something nice and simple, just some hot dogs. Just a video for you to watch if you want to watch it. That's all. I've got something coming up tomorrow. Hopefully it's going to be good. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We'll find out. Say, I'm the old food guy. So like, just subscribe. Till tomorrow. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mouthful.
And I got a video coming tomorrow.
You got a video coming tomorrow. Probably see it in the background there. Try not to show too much of it. See you later.
Bye.